Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a builder wand in Minecraft. This incredible tool revolutionizes construction, allowing you to place multiple blocks simultaneously. It's perfect for large projects, saving you significant time and effort. Imagine building massive walls or floors in mere moments. We'll cover how to acquire it, how to use its various functions, and some helpful tips to maximize its potential. Get ready to transform your building experience. To acquire a builder wand, you'll need to understand that it's not a vanilla Minecraft item. This powerful tool is usually introduced through various mod packs or server plugins. Therefore, the exact method of obtaining it can vary. You might need to craft it using specific materials, or perhaps purchase it from a custom in-game shop. Always consult your particular mod pack's documentation or server rules for precise instructions on how to get your hands on one. Once you have your builder wand, using it is quite intuitive. A simple right-click will place a line of blocks extending from your current position in the direction you are looking. For more complex structures, shift right-clicking often allows you to place a wall of blocks, building upwards or outwards. Depending on the mod, you could place anywhere from a few blocks to over 128 blocks with a single action, making large builds incredibly fast. To get the most out of your builder wand, here are a few best practices. First, always carry a substantial supply of the blocks you intend to use, as the wand consumes them rapidly. Second, take some time to practice in a creative world to fully understand its different placement modes and capabilities. Finally, remember that this tool truly shines when tackling repetitive, large-scale tasks, transforming tedious work into a quick and enjoyable process. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.